All right, so for your modular design, you're going to log into your Book Avenue. You're going to go to Create and then go to Page Ladder. And once you get here, you can click on any random page or spread. And then it's going to bring you to this, but you want to go to your practice page. So in order to get to your practice page, you're going to come over to this area, the left-hand side where it says designs. Click that and then click on this area right here. We're going to scroll all the way up to where it says custom. Click that and then click where it says practice pages. And then here you should be able to find your name because you already created a practice page. You should have already created a practice page. If you did not create a practice page, then you can go to File and then go to New Practice Page. And then you're going to enter your name and save it. So let's go ahead and pretend that I am Blake and I'm going to work on my practice page. So you want to click this I button right here and you'll see that it says edit. You're going to go here and then you're going to click the edit button. And now we are on the practice page. So you can see here, it doesn't have a number for you to drop to because, again, practice. So, sorry. So we really want to look at themes. And we're going to scroll through and see like which theme you might want. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to use this theme, right? But this is just like a basic outline. So I'm going to say that I want this theme. I'm going to drag it over here. I'm so sorry. My cats are like being super crazy right now. So anyway, you're going to drag it over here and then this is where you can start to edit. Now, remember I said that I wanted some sort of extra element, right? So that would be this. This is a lot of little things. So you can always change it. You can, I'm clicking shift and then I'm selecting these little boxes for images and then I'm going to delete those. And now let's say that I want to do these, right? Let's say that I just want these to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to select those. And then here I can drag them down and make them larger because it has to be your own. Like I don't want to see something that is just basic of what we've already done. I said that I wanted to have a clear dominant photo. So dominant, I'm going to know that that's going to be something a little bit larger. This, I'm going to bring this way. That, so now I definitely have a dominant photo. I went over this one. So what I could do is I can also shrink that one. However you want to do it, just make sure that you're making it your own. So have your own element right here. Once you're done with that and you feel like you have this set up good and you have like nice headlines, whatever, you're going to go to where it says images and we're going to find any images that are here. Now, remember I said you can also go to like a different website and search something that you want to look for. So let's say that maybe you're like, oh, I really wanted to do something on gymnastics. So you would search gymnastics, you would go to images, and then you can download by saving your image. And you pretend like I saved a whole bunch of images, right? And this is what I want to use. So then if I know that that's what I want, I would go back over here and then I would have to save this, but then I would go to create and then I would go to image library and upload the images. I'm not going to show you that because you should already know this by now. However, let's go ahead and say that I have all my images saved. I have them in my practice pictures and um, some really random photos in here. But this almost looks like, well, this is like a dance one, right? So I'm like, oh, I love this image. I think this is good. Oh, it actually doesn't fit right here because it turns red. So that means that I want to put it on something that is going to fit. So you could see that this one turns green, this one turns green. That image can go there. I have to make sure that whatever dominant photo I choose will be able to fit in this one. This one seems to not fit in a few. Goodness gracious. All right, so let's pretend that I have, oh, here, this is good. I have everything corresponds, right? Everything is going to be of the same thing, like how this is volleyball and this is dance. That actually would not be okay. But let's say that they're all volleyball players. It just needs to be all corresponding. Make sure that everything looks good. Once you're done, you have everything filled out, you've selected your headline, you have different types of things you're introducing. Everything looks amazing. You have 30 faces that are in there. Then you would just take a screenshot of it and submit it into Schoology, and you're good to go. That's it.